What's up everybody, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Lasfit all-weather floor mats for this 2026 Honda Passport. Now, if you own any of the Hondas or a Passport, take a look at the link down below where you're going to get a discount code on these nice laser designed rubber all-weather floor mats for your car. Lasfit carries tons of other brands as well. But let's see how easy it is to install the first and second row for this 2026 Passport. So as you can see, they're a nice thick rubber design, got the Lasfit name, and as you can tell, the lip goes really wide compared to what you're gonna see on the stock one. Now, one thing when you first get these, obviously they're packaged up nicely, so what you're gonna wanna do when you buy these, go ahead and let them sit out in the sun for a little bit so they can relax, and then they're gonna fit even better. So right now, these ones are right out of the box, so they're a little smushed up, but nonetheless, they will end up laying perfectly flat. So, one thing I also like, they have the same locks that you're gonna find on the factory vehicle, so they will be nice and secure, and they have the nice pitted design throughout the back, so they're gonna grip the carpeting very well. So 2026 Passport, let's take a look. So this one just has the factory carpet, and as you can tell, this is a brand new car with 20 miles. I haven't even test driven it for my test drive review that I'm filming. There's already dirt all around this edge. So needless to say, when you own this, all the carpeting is gonna just get absolutely filthy, and you're gonna have to do double the work to keep your interior clean. And of course, with carpeting floor mats themselves, I mean, they're just gonna get dirty, nothing really all too special. So with these, they're gonna have these same things where you can clip them in and out, and to install them, it's really easy. You simply just slide it in place. It even covers the dead pedal and is contoured to fit everything on this interior. So with these off, as you can tell, it's gonna line up nicely with the factory lock. You can go ahead and lock that, and then just kind of press it into place, and we are looking good. Once it's locked, you can just clip this all back down. So as you can tell, with this installed, it's gonna cover this door sill too. So as you enter and exit, it's gonna stay nice and clean to where the dirt isn't gonna be going underneath. And then covering the dead pedal and all around this, even under the seat itself. When this gets dirty, just pop these tabs off, unlock them, pull it out carefully without pouring anything over, and everything underneath is gonna stay perfectly clean. So that is a really cool benefit for these Lasfit all-weather floor mats. Let's move on to the second row now. So this one just has one giant piece. It's kind of cool how it has like a Velcro to it on the bottom, so it makes it grip a little bit, which isn't too bad for factory carpeting. And then for this one, again, we had the Lasfit name, and everything is going to fit really well. So big piece as expected, but sliding this into place isn't all too difficult. And I might have to go on the other side, but once again, we are covering the whole door sill and everything. So as we continue to get it in here, I will have to open the door since it goes under the door like that. But as you can tell, as I continue to kind of line it up nicely, that fits really well. All laser cut, of course, to be perfectly fitting in here. And there we go. But take a look, how cool is that? This is gonna do a great job, especially when you have kids in the back or maybe even dogs. You know, even if these are folded down, if stuff is kind of falling in or something, they are gonna protect the whole interior. They're gonna do a really good job covering all this carpeting. And then if we take a look at the passenger side now, so once again, just like the other side, we're gonna have the single lock for it to pop into place. So climbing in here, look at that. Nothing is gonna be getting onto any of the carpeting. Stock carpet down there, just taking a quick look at it now. And then just with the door open, lining everything up. Once again, fitting in here perfectly. Your passenger's feet going all the way up there even are not gonna be on the carpet. And as you can tell, it's gonna go a little bit farther than where the factory carpet is with this massive lip. That way all the dirt is gonna stay contained versus going all into the carpeting itself. But nice way to get a nice set of floor mats. Check them out, linked all down below. And our viewers are gonna be getting a nice discount on your next purchase. So take a look at the links down below. Super easy to install a nice set of all-weather floor mats from Lasfit. Check them out and let me know your thoughts and what car you're gonna be putting them into.